arm, open. Tendu front head, first, front, first plie, third plie front, left plie front, hold one count, plie, to the side, first, do you push your heel forward to the side, plie, front third plie again, tendu to the side, hold one count, plie, to the back, first, 3, 4, with plie, third plie back, to the back, and plie, 8 tendu, 1, 2, 3, 4, arm, don't rush, 6, 7, 8, right now, pass it up, go along with your leg, stay, keep your knee open, and face your belly button, your hand. Really small right now. Hold the move.